there! In today's video, I'll show you how to switch from button navigation to gesture navigation on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So, as I see, currently I have the button navigation, which has 3 buttons. This is home button, this is back button, and recent apps button. We can also switch it to the gesture. Let me show you how. Firstly, open settings on your phone and then go to this tab, which is named display. Then scroll down again until you'll find this tab, which is named navigation bar, and here switch from buttons to swipe gestures. Now let me show you how it works. So instead of buttons, we have this little line right here. If we will hold our finger on this line and then swipe it up, you will get to the home screen. Like this. We can test it one more time. So now to open the recent apps, we would need to again hold our finger on this line and then pull it to the center of the screen, just like this. And one more time. And now the last button that we got on the panel that was here before is back button. So for example, let's open any web page and now try to go back. For that, we would need to swipe from the left side to the right side like this. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.